crazy things that made us feel so part of it. Our youth, so confident, we played our heartstrings, not caring if it ends. Try to learn to let go of all those things that tie you down. Get rid of it, the voice inside that tells me that I'm scared, yeah, scared of shit. But I wanna let go of it now.